Ever wondered why your air conditioner suddenly stops cooling on a scorching summer day? It is often because of a tiny but powerful part, like your contactor failing to do its job. A contactor is the electrical gatekeeper that safely turns your HVAC system on and off. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we are diving into what a contactor is and how it works, essential knowledge for any homeowner dealing with HVAC issues. Picture this. Your thermostat calls for cool air and sends a low voltage signal to the contactor, which is usually mounted inside your outdoor AC unit. Inside the contactor, the process is simple but brilliant. A coil of wire is wrapped around an iron core and acts like an electromagnet. When that 24-volt signal reaches the coil, it energizes and creates a magnetic field that pulls a plunger downward. This action closes the heavy-duty contacts with a solid click, and high-voltage power flows to your compressor, fan motor, and other components to bring your system to life. Once the thermostat reaches the set temperature, the signal stops. The coil de-energizes, springs pull the plunger back up, and the contacts open again. This safely cuts the power and prevents your system from overloading. In HVAC systems, contactors handle high amperage, often 40 amps or more, while the coil itself uses only a small amount of power. This makes them both efficient and dependable. However, problems can still occur. Worn out or pitted contacts from electrical arcing or a burnt coil can lead to failures which cause no cooling, humming outdoor units, or inconsistent operation. Checking your contactor is simple. Listen for the click when the system starts or visually inspect the contacts and coil for wear. With the right replacement part, it is an easy DIY fix for many homeowners. If you need a new contactor or any other HVAC parts, PartsHnC has you covered. From compressors to capacitors, you will find everything you need at PartsHnC.com. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more HVAC tips, quick fixes, and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.